This is a true story. Meet Dr. Thahira. You can see that she succeeded in a PhD, like smiling and happy. And from the outside, when we look at a success story, we might think, oh, you know what, it's easy. Anyone can do it, right? Do you know she fought very, very hard in a PhD for 10 years? You know how long is 10 years? 10 years is equal to 3,650 days, 87,600 hours of her life dedicated to PhD, and yet she never gave up and continued the fight. After 10 years in her attempt to defend her thesis, during her viva, she actually failed. Unfortunate for her, she has to come and see me to seek for PhD consultancy. Once we met face to face, a few minutes into the conversation, she burst into tears, couldn't bear the reality of all her hard work completely destroyed and bulldozed. Imagine 10 years of a struggle. So after the meeting with Thahira, we jumped into her thesis together, we coached her, and she really pushed to revive her thesis back. What she couldn't achieve in 10 years, we combined forces, and finally on 2nd February, after 3 months of coaching, she made it. And you guys know what? Now she is Dr. Thahira. Her story always inspires me, and a story that I would share forever. So what you guys should learn from the story today is plan your time from now. If you need a time planning chart that I have designed personally, comment now. And if you need help with your journey, we are here, right here in Cyberjaya, to consult, coach, and proofread your thesis. Thank you, and let's share this video to inspire more people to never ever give up.